Every product starts with an idea, but it becomes something that matters when skilled people bring it to life. At AES Manufacturing in North Kansas City, we cut, form, weld, assemble, and inspect real products built for a real purpose. Working alongside leading-edge safety, our work helps protect people where the risks are highest. From precision laser cutting and press brake forming to fabrication, robotic welding, assembly, and final inspection, every step depends on people who care about safety, quality, and doing the job right. We are building more than equipment. We are building skills, careers, and a team prepared for the future. AES Manufacturing is hiring production assemblers, metal fabricators, flat sheet and tube laser operators, press brake and folding beam operators, MIG welder fabricators, welding and fabrication trainees, and robotic welding technicians. You do not need the perfect resume. You need reliability, coachability, pride in your work, and the drive to learn. Build something that matters and build your future at AES Manufacturing.